Today I'm going to show you how to send an Amazon package to a different country. This is incredibly useful when you need to ship gifts to family or friends abroad, or if you're traveling and want items delivered to your destination. Let's dive right into the process. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Account. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile. Once you're on the account page, look for and click on Your Addresses. This section allows you to manage all your saved shipping addresses, which is essential for sending packages to different locations. Now, to add a new international address, click on Add Address. This opens up a form where you'll input the details for your new shipping destination. The first thing you'll need to do is click on the drop-down menu below Country/Region. From this list, select your preferred country or region where you want the package delivered. This is a crucial step because it tells Amazon exactly where to route your shipment. After selecting the country, you'll need to enter all the required information. This includes the recipient's full name, their complete address, city, state, and zip code. Make sure all these details are accurate to avoid any delivery issues. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Add Address to save this new shipping location. Now that your international address is set up, it's time to process your order. In the upper right corner of the screen, click on Cart to view all the items you're planning to purchase. If you happen to have multiple items in your cart but only want to send specific ones to the international address, simply uncheck the box next to the items you don't want to include in this shipment. This gives you control over exactly what gets sent where. When you're ready to move forward, click Proceed to Checkout. You'll now be presented with your delivery options. Select your newly created international delivery address from the list, then click Deliver to this address. This confirms that your package will be shipped to the country you specified. Next, you'll need to select your payment method from the available options. Amazon will walk you through this step smoothly. Finally, when everything looks correct and you've reviewed your order details, click Place Your Order. And that's it. Your Amazon package is now on its way to a different country, making international shipping surprisingly simple and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.